Good morning students. We came back again with our grammar part. So students, in the previous chapter we have already studied about adjectives. Now in this chapter, lesson number 12, that is comparisons, we will study about degrees of comparisons which is related to adjectives. So let's start our chapter. Now students, already we have read earlier, I told you. Let's start lesson 12, comparisons. Comparisons. Degrees of comparisons are related to adjectives. Now students, there are three types of degree: positive, comparative and superlative. Three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Now see students, there are three images. Now first is apple, second also apple and third also apple. Now their size are different because here comparison means the words which we use to compare things, person or animal, anything. Now big, an apple is big. Now from this apple it is comparing this one, so it will be bigger, comparative, and the third, the biggest, superlative. Now according to this picture you will not understand. Let's start the chapter. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree. When we compare two things, we use ER form of the adjective. We also use than. Now this is the rule of comparative degree. For comparative degree, the main important thing is ER and than. For example, Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. Now here there are two names. So Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James means Yao Ming is compared to LeBron James with the word tall, and though we are comparing here, so we have used ER and than. Number second, this house is bigger than that one. Again comparison of a thing. We have used ER with the word big and we have used than. Now this is the rule for comparative degree. She is nicer than him. Now here pronoun, she and him, both are pronoun. So the word nice, with the word nice we have used ER and than to complete the sentence of comparative degree. Now let's have an image with the example. Here the word quite is given, which is a positive degree. It's an adjective. Goldfish, elephant. Now a goldfish is quieter than an elephant. This is the word quite. We have used ER and than to compare goldfish and elephant. Now next is superlative degree. So what is superlative degree? When we compare more than two things, animals or persons, etc., we use EST form of the adjective. We also use the with the EST form. This is the rule of superlative degree. So what is the rule? EST and the EST. For example, the ant is the smallest among all. Now here again EST we have used and here the. So this is the identification of a superlative degree sentence. The elephant is the heaviest. We know that elephant is an heavy animal. So for superlative degree we have used EST. The EST with the word heavy. The airplane is the most expensive. Now most is used for superlative degree. So students, you have to remember that for superlative degree we have to use the and EST for the word adjective. Now see this image. Here is the picture of three boys. Now I have given here, for example, we have taken here as a name Rahul. So though Rahul is the tallest one of the three, so we have used EST. Rahul is the tallest of the three. The and est for the adjective. Now, the most important point for comparative and superlative degrees. There are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er or est. We have to add more or most before these words. Now, more is used for comparative degree and most is used for superlative degree. For example, adjectives of 3 or more syllables use more and most. For example, the words adjective, this is positive degree adjectives. Beautiful in comparative, more beautiful, superlative, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Now, I have taken here few examples. You know about interesting word. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So these we have to follow because to big words we can't use er or est. That at that time we have to use more or most. Now let's have few sentences to identify the degree. Let's read. The lion is a strong animal. Now there is no er and no est, so it is a positive degree. Rochelle is the kindest of all. Superlative degree. Why? Because here the is used, est is used. The apple is sweeter than the pear. Comparative degree. Why? Because here er has been used and than. Number 4. It is a tall building. No er, no est. That means positive. Number 5. Facilitator Anthe had the most wonderful birthday cake. Superlative. Why it is superlative? Because here the used, most used, because it is a big word. As we read earlier, before big word we use more or most. More is used for comparative and most is used for superlative. So the most wonderful is the sign of superlative degree. Now students, let's revise the chapter. So, adjectives, degrees of comparison. This is the topic. Positive, comparative and superlative. 3 types of degrees. Comparative degree. When we compare two things, persons or animals, anything, we use er form of the adjective. We also use than. Now this is the rule of comparative degree. Superlative degree. When we compare more than two things, we use est form of the adjective. We also use the with the est form. This is the rule of superlative degree. Now the most important point, as we already studied earlier, let's revise. There are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er or est. We have to add more or most, more for comparative, most for superlative before these words. Examples, adjectives of 3 or more syllables use more and most. These are positive, this is comparative and this is superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. So students, hope you have understood this chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet again in our next grammar or any English class.